What's up, you guys? So we're at Publix about to get into some of the best grocery deals that you can do this week. Let's grab this free and cheap food. The first two deals will be free after Ibotta. So these two good smoothies are $1 with $1 back. The Suja coffee shots are $3.19 BOGO with $3.29 back on 2. This 6-pack of pineapple juice is $3.89 each. I'm going to use the BOGO digital coupon and get them for $1.94 a piece. This Jell-O will be 59 cents each after Ibotta, and these almonds are as low as 99 cents with a digital coupon. I love this pasta, so I'm going to grab more now that it's on sale for $1.19. I have $1 back on Ibotta, making these only 19 cents. Gatorade Fast Twitch is only 29 cents each after both Ibotta rebates, and we're grabbing 2 bags of Tyson Anytizers for just $3.50 each with a 3 off of 15 digital. Great deal on this Greenfield bacon, and I actually like this bacon. I had it for breakfast this morning. We have $4.60 back on Shopkick plus $2 back on Ibotta, making this only $1.39. These 6 double rolls are only $3.99 with the $2 store coupon and the $1 digital coupon, and I'm going to use this overage from the Splendid to pay for these. Having 6 Pillsbury products for BOGO $3.29, I'll use the 5 off of 15 digital, and my final cost will be $3.87 after $1 back from Ibotta. This Lucky Charm cereal is only 22 cents for 2 boxes after Ibotta, the digital coupon, and Fetch. So this is everything that I grabbed. I paid out $51.15 plus tax. After my rebate money back, my final cost is only $18.55.